Durham Region heat pump experts you can trust. When it comes to your home comfort, you deserve more than just a contractor. You deserve true experts you can trust. At Twintech Heating Cooling, we've built our reputation as the go-to heat pump specialists in the Durham Region and Toronto. By combining technical excellence, local knowledge, and a genuine commitment to customer satisfaction. Why work with a heat pump expert? Heat pumps are efficient, versatile systems that can both heat and cool your home. But to get the most from your investment, you need a team who understands proper system sizing for your home's layout, optimal placement for peak efficiency, seasonal performance adjustments for Ontario's climate. Our technicians are fully trained in the latest heat pump technology, ensuring your system is installed and maintained to deliver maximum comfort while keeping your energy bills in check. Serving Durham Region Toronto homes. From Pickering, Ajax, Whitby, and Oshawa to Toronto and surrounding areas, we understand the unique heating and cooling challenges Southern Ontario homeowners face. Our heat pump solutions are tailored to handle humid summers, freezing winters, and everything in between, so your home stays comfortable year-round. The Twintech difference. When you choose Twintech, you're choosing honest advice without upselling, top-quality equipment from trusted brands, skilled, certified technicians who get the job done right, responsive service when you need it most. We've been serving our community for years, and our customer relationships are built on trust, reliability, and a job well done every time. More than just installation. We don't just install heat pumps. We're here for the long haul. From annual maintenance to prompt repairs, we make sure your system continues to perform at its best. Our service plans keep you worry-free while extending the lifespan of your investment. Trust your comfort to the heat pump experts at Twintech Heating Cooling. Call us today to schedule a consultation in the Durham region or Toronto and experience the difference that expert care makes.